Wondering how to get that glowing, soft, and smooth skin this summer? Today, I'm going to share some of my top tips to help you achieve glowing, radiant skin this summer. Having a healthy, luminous complexion is something we all strive for, especially during the warmer months. So, let's dive in and get that summer glow. The first and most important step to getting glowing skin in the summer is to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day is crucial for maintaining the skin's moisture levels and keeping it looking plump and dewy. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day, and even more if you're spending a lot of time outdoors in the heat. Proper hydration from the inside out will give your skin a healthy, radiant appearance. Another key to achieving that summer glow is to exfoliate your skin on a regular basis. Use a gentle scrub or chemical exfoliant 2 to 3 times a week to slough off dead skin cells and reveal the fresh, glowing skin underneath. This will help to brighten your complexion and allow your moisturizers and serums to penetrate more effectively. Just be sure not to over-exfoliate, as that can lead to irritation. Of course, no summer skincare routine would be complete without sun protection. Applying a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher is essential for keeping your skin safe from harmful UV rays and preventing premature aging. Don't forget to reapply every 2 hours, especially if you're spending time in the water or sweating. Protecting your skin from sun damage will help it maintain that healthy, glowing appearance. Finally, incorporating nourishing serums into your routine can take your summer glow to the next level. Look for serums containing ingredients like vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, or niacinamide, which can help to brighten, hydrate, and even out your skin tone. Apply these serums after cleansing and before moisturizing for a radiant, luminous complexion. There you have it, my top tips for achieving glowing skin this summer. Remember, consistency is key, so be sure to incorporate these steps into your daily routine. I hope you found this video helpful, and I can't wait to see your gorgeous, glowing skin this season. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.